Sorry, I accidentally clicked on stop button, but I'm gonna upgrade the trade pet for Dino's machine to 5, so my machine is already at max level now. Look, it's so scary here. Can you eat me up? Yeah, he eating me up, bro. Help. What am I doing with my life? Wait, I'm gonna leave and come back because my jump button is gone, I think. Hi guys, I joined a private server because someone stole my brother fruit. Yes, sunflower. Had almost all. Okay, they don't care anymore. And I left, and now I'm in a private server because look at this golden apple. Who doesn't want this kiddo? Sugar apple. What am I saying? Golden apple. Sugar apple. By the way, if you have seen my video, or can you? What did the upgrades do? So greatly reduce the weight they are needing. Okay. I'm gonna give ostrich, I think, if I have one. No, that's. I always need 2 pets, cause for emergencies, for trading, you know. No. Someone literally trusted me so hard. He gave me 20 free pets, and then I needed to give him one pooped owl. He was first. He did first. Hi guys, so now I'm gonna try to. So now that I maxed my thing, I'm gonna find a pet that I can put in it. But maybe peacock. Oh no, I don't have.
That is kind of sad, bro.
Um,
That is kind of sad.
maybe I have something like um here I found take this pet. Ooh, that's not even much anymore. I need one bamboo seed. I need to do Do I need to restart? What is what happens when I do this? Did you just why? You didn't pick the bone blossom?
Yes, I have the bone
Share the quest. Okay. I think I can work like I did like for that. Okay. This is really gonna
Okay.
Can I
Is that it? Not it.
can I oh, I have a dino crate. Oh, this is not my garden.
That's just not my problem.
I'm gonna use that reclaimer for the bone boost so I can plant it again.
Wow. The best.
Hello. You must reclaim. Isn't this a valid
I'm like gonna
Come
cry.
on. Come on. Why can't
I have to bring my eggs, guys.
Why? I'm gonna find a way how to get bone boo and that things, or maybe not. I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna try. Guys, I found bamboo seeds. Guys, I did one quest, and that is plant 25 bamboo seeds. Now I only need two more, I think, quests to do, and then I'm done. I'm doing plant 100 carrot seeds now, okay?